Hello friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. This is Balaji. Today I am going to show you how to install the Arduino IDE software. So Arduino IDE software is used to dump the code into the Arduino boards like Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano, Arduino Lily Pad, like so many Arduino boards are there. So to upload the files or the code into that boards, we are going to use Arduino IDE software. So let's see how we are going to install this Arduino IDE software. First of all, we have to go to the Google and we have to enter the text like Arduino IDE. So you have to click the first link coming here. There are two types of builds are available like beta builds and early builds. Based on your operating system, you have to select this Windows or Mac OS or Linux, whatever. I'm going to download the Windows here. So whenever you are going to click this one, this type of zip files are going to download. Here I did it already, so I'm going to cancel this one. After downloading this zip file, you will get like this type of zip files are going to download it. So you have to extract this one from here, extract here. So there you will get extracted here. See, this type of extraction is going to be done. So after extracting this, so actually I did already, that's why it's showing error. So here you will see this is the extracted file here. You have to open this one. So after opening, you will have a folders. You will have folders like drivers, examples, hardware, libraries, references, all. Here there is an Arduino icon. So you have to click on this Arduino icon. So after clicking this, it is going to open. Almost all we done. So this is the software installing the packages. So it will take 2 to 3 seconds. See here, this is the process here. So that's it guys. I'm going to tell you how to code this one, what are the steps we have to take care while uploading the file, uploading the code to the Arduino boards, and how to use this plots and all. I'm going to teach you in the further videos. That's it guys. If you have any doubts regarding this installation process, please let me know in this comment section. Thank you.